As wildfires become more severe and common due to human-caused climate change, they also pose an increasing risk to homes and homeowners. According to a report published by the nonprofit First Street Foundation, 20 million properties face a moderate risk of a wildfire during the course of a mortgage. 6 million face a major risk, and around 3 million face severe risk. And 1.5 million are at extreme risk. So for more, Dr. Jeremy Porter joins me now. He's the Chief Research Officer at First Street Foundation, a nonprofit research and technology group. So these are some really worrying numbers potentially for homeowners. Which areas face a severe to extreme risk from wildfires?
Yeah, they're huge numbers. It's the first wildfire risk model at a property level that's been commissioned or actually has been implemented across the country. What we ended up finding was there was a lot of risk in the West, places where you would expect it, in California, in Utah, and Colorado. But we also found a lot of risk in places like the Deep South, in Alabama, Georgia. Florida had a significant amount of risk. So the risk is really widespread, but it does tend to be most severe in places where you would expect out West.
So what needs to be done on both public and private level to help homeowners, buyers, and renters all understand a property's wildfire risk?
Yeah, and at a personal level, individuals should understand their own risk. And at the First Street Foundation, we've actually built a tool called riskfactor.com. And on that tool, you can find your fire factor. Homeowners can go in, they can put in their addresses. When you go in and type in any address, you can understand risk today. You can understand risk into the future. So we do climate adjust all of the models. But most importantly, beyond that, we also allow people to understand solutions. So there are simple things that people can do to help minimize their wildfire risk, like clear debris around their property or make sure their eaves are covered. So there are both solutions and risks that homeowners should be aware of.
That's really helpful for homeowners and even renters who want to mitigate those risks. What should be done on a public level then?
At a public level, using resources at a community level to understand where risk is most prevalent is probably the best thing that can be done. There are some tools out there that do help to understand risk at a community level. We believe our data and riskfactor.com is also another tool that can be used for that same purpose. Both of those allow you to allocate resources to places that need them the most.
All right, Dr. Jeremy Porter, thank you.
Thank you.